Yeah, it actually did the thing with the thing. And then it gave me a heart attack. All right, get this dough rolled on out. Stretch it, pull it a little bit. Press it. We kind of want a nice wide base on this because we're going to make 6 muffins out of this pizza. We're making some pizza muffins, right? We got some pizza sauce here. We're going on. Take it to the ends, take it to the edges, take it to the house. I crack myself up sometimes. So we're gonna leave like this back half or front half as far as you're looking at it. We're gonna leave that about an inch or so, maybe 2 of nothing. You know, we're not gonna put any toppings in that part because we want it to seal up down there. So we'll leave that part open. Got some pepperoni. Of course, you're gonna have some pepperoni in here. But guys, this could be any way you like it. All right, it's a pizza. There's many different ways to top a pizza, except putting pineapple on it. That is not a good way to top a pizza. I'm sure I'll get yelled at in the comments. Got a little Smithfield cubed ham because I like ham on my pizza. And I like black olives on my pizza. Therefore, we're putting some black olives on my pizza. Got some finely shredded mozzarella. Oh, get that on there. Try to break it up a little bit. Then we're gonna sprinkle on a little Parmesan. Okay, now here comes the fun part. We're going to roll up our pizza dough. So just take your time. Try to roll it up as evenly as possible. Don't try to press it down so much. A little cheese back there. Okay. There we go. Just try to seal it up a bit. Now we're going to take a really sharp knife and divide that right down the middle. And we really just want 3 good pieces. So we're going to chop off the ends. Okay. So right about there. There. Chop this off. And we'll chop the end off. We have our greased muffin tray here. Muffin tin, whatever. And just throw these in there carefully. You'll probably lose some at the bottom. Don't worry about it. Just kind of be quick with it. That cheese and the sauce and all that is gonna caramelize on the bottom, right? This could be nothing short of spectacular. And I gotta tell you, I'm impressed. I didn't lose that much. 425, 15-ish minutes, all right? And then we'll be eating good. We're gonna one more step after we pull this out of the oven, but you have to stick around to see. I'll see you in a second. All right, we're gonna make a little garlic butter to brush over the top when we're out. So about a half a stick of butter, a little bit of parsley, a little bit of garlic powder, and you're good to go. Get that all mixed up. And then we'll just brush that over the top. All right, team, out of the oven, looking good. Let's take our little buttery garlic mix right here. Just brush it on over the top. There we go. There's a dish. Let's dig one of these out right quick. Ow. It's still hot. You can see the bottom. Guys, you don't want to try that. I don't want to know your name. Let's get a bite. We got tons of flavor here, baby. The kids will love these. The adults will love these. Your dog will probably love it too, but don't feed it to him. All right? You're going to want to make these because, baby, you know it's good.